This is Village Auto's 2011 Chrysler Town & Country Touring with a Stone Go rear seats. Very clean, locally owned vehicle. Accident-free, verified through AutoCheck. The rear park assist sensors, rear backup camera, power rear liftgate, rear wiper, rear defrost. Alloy wheels with 4 brand new tires. Privacy glass, dual power sliding doors. Very well maintained van. This one does come equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 motor along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $10,550. Let's get inside here for you. This one does have a Stone Go rear seats. Dual power sliding doors like I said before. Full leather interior. This is a 7-passenger minivan. Full overhead console with the rear heating AC controls. Very clean as you can see. We do have the full power options, power driver side seat, power passenger seat, heated front leather seats, the Chrysler Uconnect with the auxiliary input, 3-zone climate control, steering wheel cruise control, along with info controls and audio controls, adjustable foot pedals. Altogether very clean, very well maintained van that runs and drives all perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2011 Chrysler Town & Country Touring home with you today.